basically how to funnel the Snapchat guys to the Instagram to keep the account authentic, because on Snapchat is also the ban thing just big, because if you add too much people on Snap you get banned, or if you add the people and make a snap to them that they should follow you on Instagram, they restrict you on Snapchat and then you also get banned. So how to keep the account safe with also shouting out to Instagram to keep that authentic as possible, so you don't get banned because too many guys restrict your account.
Got you. Got you. Okay. So I will say the last time we funneled to Snap was like a year ago, right? So I couldn't tell you this is what we have all the data on, just right
Mm.
from the get-go, okay? Because this is just a funnel that we thought was not worth for acquisition methods. What I can tell you, just based on all the guys I've talked to, some of my friends who still do very, very active Snap things, is Snap and Instagram pretty much have the same banning system. Like all the social media services, they all work the same way. So what is relevant for Instagram to not get banned is basically also relevant for Snap, right? So what we talked about on the quick cache call, right? Like the IP address, don't switch to Wi-Fi, mobile data, no VPNs, all that stuff. Snap flags that the same way that IG does. Now, in terms of like the numbers and the specific things, I would try. I think the issue that we have is you already said you're testing different setups, right?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Because that's the main thing, right? Especially after I think Snapchat deployed like a major update recently where I saw a lot of guys like their methods not working anymore. From an objective business perspective, without being the Snapchat guy, we don't have a setup problem, we have a knowledge problem, right? It's not like that you guys don't have the resources or you don't have like less ideas for setups. I think there's a lot of variations you can tweak, right? For example, are we having like one Snap account for each Instagram account, or having one main account? Do we shout it out like every single day, or do we just post reels for a week, then do like one promo post, convert all the people? There's so many things you can tweak, right? So
Yeah.
the question is, it sounds just like a knowledge problem. You don't have the data to back it up. So testing it is going to be the right thing. The question is, how are you testing it? And in that sense, the way we always go for it is, I don't know how many tracking sheets you have for that, but for every single thing we do like this, we run like a major tracking operation. So every single thing, from how often we posted it, how many people seen the story. So how, for if you shout out a Snap account on the story, right? How many views does it get? How many people click on it versus how many ads we get in what time frame? All that stuff. So by the end of, let's say, testing like 5 different setups, by the end of the first 1 or 2 weeks, you have so much data. Now you can actually come to a conclusion. You can feed it to AI, you can feed it to Claude or whatever it is. So the number one solution to this, without having the perfect answer, because we really don't run Snapchat anymore, is whatever number you are able to track doing the testing is going to become relevant. Because if it rocks even remotely like IG, which it does, the answer is in the little tweaks. There's no major setup that does the difference. It's just trying to not go above a certain threshold. Maybe it is just not shouting out the Snapchat too often, because if you get like hardcore super many ads on the same moment all the time, that is what is the final straw that breaks the camel's back.